Have you ever wondered what it truly means to live a life led by the Spirit? Galatians 5:22-23 offers us a blueprint. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. This passage invites us to cultivate a character that reflects divine attributes. As we immerse ourselves in these words, we find a path towards personal transformation and restoration. Imagine embodying love that transcends understanding, joy that resists circumstances, and peace that calms the storm within. Kindness and goodness become second nature, leading to acts that ripple beyond our immediate circle. Faithfulness and gentleness nurture relationships, while self-control provides strength in challenging times. Each fruit is a seed planted by the Spirit, nurtured through prayer, and watered by our intentional actions. Prayer becomes essential in this journey. Let us pray for the courage to embody these virtues daily and for healing in areas where we struggle. May our lives become a testament to the Spirit's transformative power. If these messages touch your heart, don't forget to like this video to support our channel and help spread God's wisdom. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an inspiring video. Comment below and let us know which lesson spoke to you the most. Thank you for being a part of our community. May God bless you on your journey of faith.